What if I told you that half of what you believe about yourself isn't even true? And worse, your brain might be the one lying to you. The good news? Once you see how the lie works, you can rewrite the truth. Let's begin with Brain Vibe 360. Every single day, your brain is making predictions about people, about situations, about yourself. It does this automatically, so fast that you don't even notice. And here's the catch. Most of those predictions are not based on reality. They're based on memory. That means your present moment isn't fully fresh. It's being filtered through old experiences, old fears, old pain. This is why you might overreact to small things. Why you might avoid certain situations without knowing why. Why you might talk yourself out of opportunities before they even start. Your brain thinks it's protecting you, but in reality, it's limiting you. Think of your mind like a movie editor. It takes raw footage from the world and then cuts, rearranges, and colors it based on what it already believes. So if you believe deep down that you're not smart enough, your brain will delete, distort, and highlight moments that confirm that belief. And here's the scary part. Once a belief is installed, it doesn't just sit there. It starts shaping your behavior, which then creates evidence, which reinforces the belief. It's a loop. And the longer you live in that loop, the harder it feels to get out. But here's the truth most people miss. Your brain is not a fixed machine. It's a living, adapting network. You can teach it new truths. You can dismantle old lies. You can rewire the entire system. And it starts with awareness. Right now, I want you to pause and ask, what is one belief about myself that might not be true? Maybe it's, I'm bad with money. I always fail in relationships. I'm not disciplined. I'm not creative. Those beliefs might have been born from one single bad experience years ago. But your brain took that one event and turned it into your identity. That's the lie. And this is where we shift. Because at Brain Vibe 360, we don't just uncover the lies, we rewrite them. This channel is where you take back authorship of your own mind. And now, let's move into the part that will change your life. If you want to break free from a mental loop, you have to create what neuroscientists call prediction error. That means you must take an action that your brain doesn't expect, and then survive it. Example. If you believe you're bad at public speaking, and you get up and speak anyway, your brain is forced to rethink the old program. Do this enough times, and the lie loses its power. But that's not all. You also need to feed your brain new, stronger truths over and over until they become your default. And here's where motivation enters. Most people wait to feel ready before taking action. But readiness is a side effect of action, not a requirement for it. If you act first, the feeling follows. Every time you do the thing you think you can't do, you teach your brain a new rule. I can handle this. And that belief changes everything. So how do you start? 3 steps. Step 1. Catch the lie. Throughout the day, when a limiting thought pops up, don't just obey it. Ask, is this fact or is this a memory? Step 2. Create small, controlled disruptions. If your brain expects you to avoid speaking up, say one sentence. If it expects you to skip the gym, put on your shoes and go for 5 minutes. Small wins weaken the loop. Step 3. Flood your brain with proof of a new reality. Surround yourself with people, books, and environments that match who you want to become, not who you've been. Remember, the brain follows repetition. If you keep showing it new evidence, it will adapt. Yes, there will be resistance. Yes, there will be fear. But fear is not danger. Fear is just the alarm system your brain uses when you're rewriting the rules. If you can learn to hear that alarm without running from it, you can walk into any version of yourself you choose. Because here's the thing, you are not your thoughts. You are not your beliefs. You are the thinker. You are the chooser. And the moment you choose differently, the lie starts to dissolve. So the next time your brain tells you you can't, smile. It's just a prediction. And you are about to surprise it. If this message woke something up inside you, don't let it fade. Subscribe to Brain Vibe 360 and keep building the mind you deserve. Because when you own your thoughts, you own your life.